it's time to build a list and share it with my colleagues. And this is probably one of the best parts of my job. One of the things that is so nice about Titlewave is that I can start a new list. For example, we've already started talking about summer reading, and I can create that new list and I can add things to it. I can look at things like when I'm making my list, again, like, does it have reviews? I can talk to the teachers about them. When I have my list, I also can share it with them. And so I really encourage my teachers. And it's great to be able to have these conversations with them because then, like, my library associate and I can share lists together if we're looking, or even my curriculum people, and we can look at these lists together to see what we want to order.